wanted to say that kikwamia a lot of attention to Sifuna. Nikech ngato kimia a lot of attention, mano ngiso ngat no hingi. So we need to discuss about issues. One, onegwa discuss kaka was strengthen the party. My party marwa. My party mar baba. My party mane babo sacrifice for. So why are we making noise about Sifuna left-handed set? Why are we making mileage? Oburu no se wachoni onge shida gi Sifuna. Gladys Wanga nyoro nyo wachoni there is nowhere Sifuna is going. So why are we making noise in studio? We should ask ourselves, how are we strengthening Dr. Oburu, Masani and party leader Marwa? Mondo Oburu obed strong. Oburu is a very intelligent guy. And I want to tell you. And Oburu had Baba's ear. And Oburu is a very reflective leader. Koro, right, left, no Buru can party leader. Mago, neither here or there. Gimange kaka life member mar ODM. Oburu is the party leader for now. And that should be end of discussion. And then the next thing that we should talk about, and kaka one kako nagi. Kawa DMS mar discussion. What is our agenda? Again, I say wachona agenda marwa should not be selfish. Agenda marwa should be nyathi kaka woi mara were kaka small. How can we lift up our young people? Mondo nyithindwa kikbedni tijgisani and manariemba piko. I'm in the university. I know what it feels. University marwa kaka mar bondo. Nyithind Joluo nge mangeny. Nyithindo mwa kunde Joluo is in a small number. Nyocha dhi a technical college mar Ukwala. Joluo onge kanyo. What are we doing? So as leaders, we stop thinking and giving a lot of time on Aken Sifuna, Aken Wadwariembo. It's neither here nor there. Let's talk of what we want as Joluo. Kawa the discussion table. Wangin ndache manucho losonwaka. Bodi mbele kosa kubidi mbele. Weche education dinadi. Weche ndeche dinadi. Nikechwangeo, no one get two leaders. We have the party leader, who is Oburu. We have the chairperson, who is Gladys Wanga. Tokombe mokoka, baba momiyo jomoko. So let's not talk too much. Nikechukua uoya enya jibuacho nekaka Joluo gore. Nekaka Joluo timore. One kako nagi kaka Joluo, wabede mesachiel, wawuo, wane broad-based book, wawuog, wabede kanyo, wamak kanyo, motegno. But wabed joma riek. Nikechukua uoya inya jidarawa. Let's be principled men and women. Aneno kumio mileage Sifuna inya, makoro Sifuna mon. That's nonsense. Let's be people who stand on principle. Let's look at what is going to help us. Towing party line, jiongeo, channels mar discipline, nitie NDC, jiogonyalo timogigo. So agenda marwa ondie gikas mole. Wangi kaka broad based nyalo konyo Joluo. Under party mar ODM. Nikechukua wena fast. Jimangeny mobiro gi party matindo tindo. Bob ye sirikal to bowe waoko.
Weche githotha inya Dr. Agnes Salome. Angeni Kasmal kachel koda ka kende unik nie studio karakae. Simbe moko bende pod donjo. Angeni angwa makgi mana bange kama wantiere kachel. Taka duogiri bere daktari. Mar mondo mi okonwa